Hey guys, my name is Miss Madison. I am from the After School All Stars at the Coretta Scott King Young Women's Leadership Academy, and today we are going to do quarantine STEAM. Yes, I know you guys have been home and you have been rocking it out on the virtual academy, but we wanted to bring something fun and exciting to you outside of your academic work. So, what I am inspired to do is to provide activities that you could do at home that have little to no cost associated with them. You honestly can find a lot of the materials that I'm using inside your cabinets or inside your homes. So make sure you have your parents' permission before getting started with any of the activities that we're trying. Alright, so the first thing that I wanted to talk about today is mixtures. We are going to create our own DIY, do-it-yourself whipped body butter. And we're going to take commonly known moisturizers, oils that you have in your home, and we are going to make our own product today. So what you will need to get started is shea butter. This is one of my favorite shea butters. I find it in Walmart. Coconut oil is a great moisturizer for your skin, and so I found this right in my cabinet. And then avocado oil, which is very thick and it's moisturizing for your skin. So we'll have a triple moisture body butter. So the first thing you want to do is you want to set aside one cup of shea butter. All right, so there it is. Shea butter is super soft and it creates this very nice moisturizing texture when you whip it with the other oils. All right, coconut oil looks like this. It's really mushy and then it liquefies really quick. And then the last thing we have is our avocado oil. Now, avocado oil may be something that you don't have in your kitchen, but olive oil will work. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is boil some hot water. So I have some hot water already boiled, and we're going to mix up our different moisturizers together so that we can liquefy them and so that they can all come together. All right, so I think we're ready to get started. I'm going to use this glass jar and I'm going to put all of my different oils inside of the jar. So we're going to start with the shea butter. It is nice and thick, so you have to go ahead and press it down in your bowl or jar. Next up is coconut oil. It is not melted. We want it to solidify with the shea butter, so you don't want to melt it before you add it in. Last, we have our avocado oil. You're going to use about a tablespoon of that. And as best as you can, you're going to go ahead and mix all of the moisturizers together. As much as you can, get them all together in your container. I'm using a popsicle stick just because it has smooth sides. You can definitely use a plastic knife or a spoon to help get all of the different moisturizers together and blend it as best you can. All right, so the next step is to actually liquefy our moisturizers. We want to make sure that we get a good blend of all the oils together. So we're going to use boiling hot water, and be very careful with this, you guys. Make sure that your parents know that you're utilizing these tools because we don't want to risk you getting burned. All right, so we're going to let this sit about 15 minutes, allow the oils to melt together. So it's been 15 minutes, and as you can see, I have a nice, beautiful golden mustard solution. I did go ahead and add my scent. You can use essential oils to get your scent. I use lavender, and guys, it smells so good. Now that it's all melted, we're gonna go ahead and freeze it for 10 minutes. All right, guys, so it's been another 10 minutes, and look at that beautiful crust like on the top. So now we're ready to whip it up. All right, go ahead and take your hand mixer and start mixing your solution together. You want to make sure that it's nice and creamy, blending all of those oils in together. Again, this is a triple moisturizer, so we want to make sure that all of our oils are blended nice and smoothly together. And when this is done, guys, it's gonna look like a beautiful whipped cream. Even now you can start to see the change in the consistency. It looks nice and creamy, almost like pudding. I mean, and it smells so good as you're mixing it. You can use any type of scent you want, but make sure you're using essential oils. These are extracted from natural resources such as plants. So I, again, am using lavender, and it smells so good. So here we are. We have made it to the final stretch. I found these cute little jars in my cabinet just hanging out. And so I'm going to transfer my Shea Butter into the jars. And I love this because this could be like a perfect gift to a family member or a friend. And its triple moisture action is going to keep your skin nice and smooth right after a bath and last throughout the day. I love these jars because they're super convenient and nice and small and perfect for using every day. And here it is, my beautiful whipped shea butter. I wish you guys could smell it because it smells so great. Look how moisturizing it is. If you suffer from eczema, dry skin, or if you just want to leave your skin silky and smooth, I mean, you have made your own product right at home. And it lasts all day. Look at it. It's so pretty. Well, thank you guys for watching. I look forward to making more products with you guys during our quarantine time. If you have any questions, let me know.